Came up to give the rabbits some more water in a bowl because the water jugs, their little water bottles, freeze. So I came up to give the rabbits a little more water, again, in the bowls. And I thought maybe I would show what it looks like up here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but in the distance, you just hear crack after crack of trees falling. Try not to fall down. I came up and down the hill, the shortcut earlier, the path that I usually take, and it was so slippery I could barely get up the hill. And then to go back to the house, I slid on my bottom down to the house. This is what it looks like. Just frozen. Everything's frozen. Only one vehicle has come in and out. Everybody else is hunkered down in at home. The pine trees over there. Oh, you can't tell probably. I'm scared the neighbor's pine trees are going to come down because they are not standing quite upright. The branches are all Did you hear that? The branches are all pointing down. I really love those pine trees. I hope they don't fall. Yep. Tree after tree coming down. Here I watch all that fluff and stuff. The channel from Australia. I'm not going to say it right. Near or in the Whit Sundays. And I watch her day after day. Not day after day, but whenever I watch her videos. She's out fishing. It's beautiful. The islands, the heat, because of course they're in their summertime. So I go on walks with her in her beautiful hot summer weather. And here I am, taking you for a walk. Try not to fall on my behind. It's not nearly as glamorous as going on walks with all that fluff and stuff for sure. I was hoping you could hear the trees cracking. It's insane. So that's about to come down, but I don't mind. Part of it at the top came down. That's that stuffed rabbit fur on my fingers. Those are those stupid thorny locust trees that have infiltrated all through here, so I don't mind if they come down. I would rather the oaks, and there's a couple walnuts out there. I'd rather those trees not come down. My woods is in sad shape though. I already knew that. No succession planting. I think the deers eat any seedlings or any tree sprouts that might start. The invasive vines all up around the trees. pretty sure you heard that one. For Pete's sake. So I definitely want to get some expert help about succession planting and getting my woods into healthy shape. That's on my list of things to do. Oh, those also came down. But I think those are all what came down there, or what the tops broke off. I think those are all those locusts with the thorns that I don't like anyway. It's beautiful though. I wish it wasn't so destructive. I mean, it's beautiful. If the sun were out, that would just be sparkling. It would be so pretty. So my job is, today we had a snow day. School was closed. I work at a special ed school for kids. So school was closed. I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring because the school is far enough away. I don't think they got hit as bad with this ice. But then again, I don't, maybe we got hit earlier with it and maybe the storm's moving that direction. I don't know. So we'll see. I can only imagine how many trees might be down across our road on the way out of here. Sounds like another tree coming down, but it's in the distance. It's in the neighbor's yard. It was so heavy it pulled down my bean trellis. I didn't use a hog panel, a cattle panel for the bean trellis. It was fence, but it was thick fence. Pulled that all down. Oops, sorry. Just watching where I was stepping and not where you were, what you were looking at. Yep, pulled the trellis right down. So, that's what's happening today. I hope everyone in this area who doesn't have heat, I hope they're getting in somewhere warm. That's what's going on. Okay, see ya. There is so much ice that I walked up to feed the rabbits, but had a real hard time getting up the hill because of the ice. So, in my snowmobile pants, I just slid back down, which was great. Oh my gosh, it was great. Till I got to the rocks at the bottom. That's kind of bumpy on the butt. Yep. It's almost noon. It is still raining, sleet, frozen mist, whatever it is. It's beautiful. But homesteading is not always the easiest thing.